Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to create your story on Canva full guide. Are you looking for a guide on how to create your story on Canva? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so we are now on Canva and sign up, sign in, log in so that you could use Canva. And again, just like any other Canva video we have, you need to use this on desktop or Mac or laptop. Like almost never do this on your phone unless you're just a phone person. If you're not a phone person and you have a computer at home, do this on your computer because it is far better than doing this on your, you know. Anyway, so your story. So just click on the search bar in the middle. Just type in your story and you're gonna see your story here. And you have two. You have your story and you have animated your story. We're gonna go with your story first and see what we have. So your stories templates. Use Canva's free customizable templates for your stories on social media and create thumb-stopping content that your audience can't help but hit like. So these are some of the spicier new your story templates that Canva has. And as you can see, one of these ones have a small crown, yellow crown on the lower right corner. If you hover that, it's gonna say Pro. It's gonna say upgrade to Canva Pro to access this template. So there's a paywall behind that, and I've talked about Canva Pro a lot, and Canva Pro is well worth it if you're, you know, a content creator, a social media person, or you're ramping up your social media business, or you're an entrepreneur online. So Canva Pro is let's tackle about Canva Pro. So to see Canva Pro is just hover plans and pricing and then go to Pro. Let's open a new tab and you see here Canva Pro creates stunning designs in no time with unlimited access to premium content, more powerful design tools, and AI powered magic. So they also have a 30-day free trial to start. So if you want to see the prices, it's very well worth it. As you can see here, the annual fee is $2,490. This is around $60 US for the entire year. That's the entire year. It's very affordable. If you go with monthly, it's $299. This is Philippine money, but this is around like $5-6 a month. So it's very very affordable. And what you get from that is unlimited access to premium templates and 100 million plus premium stock photos, videos, audio, graphics, and much more. Establish your brand's visual identity with logos, colors, and fonts with up to 100 brand kits. And then you have a lot of AI powered tools like resizing, background remover. They have sync for videos and music and soundtracks. They have a magic eraser, magic write, and more. And you could schedule social media posts to 8 platforms, and you have 1 terabyte size storage on the cloud, and you have 24-hour service. So that's what you get with Canva Pro. So yeah, like everything, like you can do everything in one website in one space. You don't need to like, oh, I'm gonna create this on Adobe Premiere. I'm gonna create this on Final Cut Pro, or I'm gonna create this on Photoshop. You have one place to do everything, which makes it save a lot of time and make your workspace more efficient. So yeah, as you can see here, a lot of people. It is very very affordable. So yeah, that's Canva Pro. So again, if you see a crown on the lower right corner, that's Canva Pro. And as you can see here, uh, yeah, you can also create your own, like because they have a blank canvas like this. So this is you don't need to resize it to the your story size because it's already there. So for example, you want to these are pro. You want to use let's choose one. Let's choose this one. Happy family. And then click on customize this template, right? So it says here, your happy family togetherness with family is an important moment in achieving a happy household. So that's pretty much this templates like message. You can change it. You can change whatever. You can use the background. You can use this like Polaroid type photo design. So the thing about this is, yeah, you can edit these. You can do that, and you can. These are separate elements, by the way. These are separate elements, as you can see. And you can just add your own photos and do the thing. Another one would be this one. Let's try to edit this one. So trust yourself. You can do this. So this is like you're posting this on Instagram or on TikTok. It's very sized that way. So what you want to do is uh, you could layer it forward. Yeah, okay. So you could you could fix this, and you could just delete this photo, make it your own, as you can see there, right? If you delete the stock footage of a woman and put yourself there, if you're a content creator, and just pose or something, you can do it. You can also change the background colors. These are different elements, by the way. Again, um, and then maybe this one, like notes, right? Maybe you could add like a text here. Add a text box. Add a text box like that. Right? Oh, never mind. Um, you can add this. You can resize it, and then you could just resize the text. Make it 100 or 110, and then just add your wait, just add whatever, right? Add whatever, and then just post it. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. And then once you're done, click on share here in the upper right corner, and you're gonna click on download and wait for this to be like that, to be violet. Because when you first start it, it's gonna be white. So once it turns violet, it's gonna be ready to download. So just click on this, and it's gonna be downloaded to your computer, and you can upload it to your phone via Google Drive or whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.